Sometimes people are charged with DUI and they're not even driving. They're just in actual physical control of a vehicle. It's a fancy legal term for meaning that you're in the vehicle and that somehow you pose a danger to yourself or to other people on the roadway. So there are a number of factors that people will look at, prosecutors will look at to determine whether or not they should charge someone with actual physical control. So if you're behind the wheel, keys are in the ignition, engine is on, and you're seated in the car but the car isn't moving, then they could make the argument that you are in actual physical control. Even if the engine isn't running, they could still charge you with actual physical control if they determine that you were a danger to other people. It really comes down to a question for the jury or judge to decide whether or not you are in actual physical control of a vehicle. A very common scenario would be to find someone passed out by the side of the road, and the police officer approaches the vehicle, engine is running, they tap on the window, the person's not responsive. And that's how they charge actual physical control for DUI. It's not just enough to be at the side of the road with the engine off and the keys in the ignition. You can still face those charges, so you need to be very careful. If you're taking yourself off the roadway, if you feel like you've had too much to drink, you definitely want to get out of the driver's seat if at all possible and really call a cab and get away from the vehicle. Otherwise you're putting yourself in a situation where you could be arrested for DUI, actual physical control. If you have any questions about this whatsoever, give us a call, 602-989-5000. My name is Nick Alcock. I'm the owner of Alcock and Associates. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have about DUI and actual physical control. So thanks so much.